My name is Faith, or you can call me Faithy. You're welcome back to Lover's Bird, your go-to channel for creating intimate massage tips for couples or in your relationship. Here on this channel, we'll be teaching you how to create deep connection, intimacy with your partner. Are you looking to spicing things up? Create some sort of relaxation between you and your partner, or ease tense after a long day? Look no further. This video is for you. Note, this channel is not just about talking about or showing how massage is done. It's not just about massage tips. It is also about creating lovely memories between you and your partner. Things that will keep the fire burning in your relationship or in your marriage. First on the list is Swedish massage. Swedish massage is a soft kind of massage that helps circulation of blood and also ease tension. Like if your partner has gone through, a stressful day, had a long day and need to relax, deep tissue is your goal for relaxation. It helps the muscle to relax well. And while doing the massage for your partner, he or she can just slip off and then you win. The next on the list is deep tissue massage. Deep tissue massage is a tough kind of massage. It's the kind of massage, especially if your partner loves femme touch. If he or she loves femme touch and loves to be massaged deeply, while doing deep tissue massage, you concentrate more on the back, the shoulder, and the leg, or any area your partner complains that he or she is feeling pain. So deep tissue massage is very tough, and you have to know the kind of massage to apply at a particular time, not just because you want to massage. Then the next on the line is reflexology. Reflexology massage. Reflexology massage is the massage done on the leg alone. You do it on the foot especially. That kind of massage you give your partner when they come back from work. That one, you place your partner's leg on your thigh and there's a way you can do it effectively, and your partner will feel relief of the stress. Because most of the time, the stress we feel in our body goes to our foot. So it is called reflexology. The next massage is a very interesting one. It is called neuro massage. Okay, neuro massage is a kind of massage you do with you both naked. You'll be naked, your partner will be naked. If you want that romantic atmosphere, you want to create the connection, you want to bring back the vibe, the romantic vibe in your marriage or in your relationship, neuro massage is your go-to. It is what you should look out for. You do it when you both are naked. It could be you sitting on your partner's back, and it could be that it could be done with forehand. Forehand is two of you touching each other at the same time, performing the massage. After this massage, trust me, you will feel the connection. The connection is going to be revived in your home or in your relationship. So I want you to put it in the comment section if you'll be trying neuro massage. All right, our next on the list is head massage. Head massage is when your partner is having a pain or headache. You can perform the head massage. You can do it stroking your hand here and there, right from the neck to the head of your partner. To perform the massage, you make sure your hand run deeply into their scalp not with nails on. Note, not with nails on. You have to do it when there's no way you can massage your partner with nails, because apparently it's going to cause some sort of injury. So it has to be done with nails off, whether you are the man or the woman. It has to be done with nails off, except if you know how to manage it. But the best advice is to get the nails off, especially when you are massaging the scalp, because the muscle around the scalp is very, very soft, and you don't want anything to go wrong on the head. Yes. The next kind of massage is the back massage. And the back massage is done, you can do it in a sitting position, you can do it while lying down, you can do it with your jaw, like using your jaw to massage your partner. And it's even advisable for you to use your jaw, since it's your partner. You people get physical on a daily basis, so it's not going to be a problem for you to use your jaw to massage your partner. And also, there is what is called pregnancy massage. That is a massage that is done. This is basically for our guys, for the men in the house, where when your wife is pregnant. So many people complain, so many women, so to speak, complain about lack of connection between them and their husbands when they are pregnant. Some men tend to drift away. Some men tend to, not want to be so connected to their partner, just because of the fact that maybe the way their partner look, physical changes, and all of that. There's a lot of reasons to why they keep away, they drift away when their wife is pregnant. That is totally wrong. There are ways you can make your wife feel appreciated. There are ways you can make your wife feel good even while pregnant. There are ways you can turn off the heat in your marriage even during pregnancy. There are ways you can do it. And the pregnancy massage is done on a sitting position. She cannot lie down while you are performing the massage. Most women complain that their husband does not want to touch them when they are pregnant, and all of those things. You see, these things make your partner feel emotionally drained, like they are no longer appealing to you. So our men in the house, there are ways you can still spice up your marriage and turn up the heat even while she's pregnant. Just get her in a sitting position. Massage, it has to be done softly. The massage has to be done softly, as they are in a very delicate situation. So you have to massage them softly. The stomach, you have to do it softly. The back and the legs. And their legs, you have to do it softly. And also the foot, concentrating mostly on the foot. So that is how pregnancy massage is done. We also have ice and feather play. You see, this ice and feather play is a turn up. It's a big turn up. The reason I said it's a big turn up is you tend to play with ice, using ice to massage. Ice is good for the skin. Ice is good for the skin when you use ice, especially if your partner sustains some sort of injury, or they scratch or itch or have a reddish patch on their body. You can use ice to just massage the area, and also use feather to tickle, just to get. This is just to create some sort of excitement. This is just to create some sort of excitement between you and your partner. It might sound childish, but these childish things are what makes marriage interesting, and relationships as well. And we also have hot stone massage. You see, this hot stone massage is a very good massage. It's not very, very, very popular in Nigeria, but it is very good massage. It is here in Nigeria, but not very popular enough. The spa. Allstone, you get the Allstone. I believe you must have seen it when in a place or another one in a billboard where a spa organization plays their, they display the picture where you see those the black stones placed on the spinal cord of a person. Is placed there because most of the time the spinal cord contain what is called this marrow. That place is where most of our strength comes from. So the off stone is placed there to relieve you of your stress, tension, pains, and also any kind of injury, internal injury you are experiencing. It helps a lot. So if you can lay hand on odd stones, or you know someone that sells, or you know where you can buy, you just make the stone hot, not very very hot, the one skin can bear, the kind of temperature the skin can bear. You just place it there and it does the magic. You leave it for a particular period of time, within 15 to 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes, you're there. And then you remove the stone. You have to be gentle with the stones as well. So that is it, lovers. Come closer. There's something I want to tell you. Romance does not cost a thing. You can use this little thing and the tips to spice up things, to keep the fire burning in your relationship and marriage. It does not have to be money, money, money. It could be this little thing that can save your marriage. So, lovers, there you have it on today's episode on the kind of massage you can perform on your partner, how to go about it. Remember, this is just to spice things up in your marriage. You must not be all professional to do it. It must not be done in a very, very perfect way. Just this little simple techniques can help spice things up in your marriage. So if there is anything you want me to talk about, or you have questions or areas at which you do not understand what to do at any point in time, I am here for you. I am going nowhere. So do well to comment on what you want me to talk about, on your observations and the things you would like to know about massage techniques. Like, share, and subscribe.